Sasanko, hello, namaste and tashidala to everyone. Welcome back to my channel, friends. Friends, I'm back to share with you mini clips of village life in Pemagatshel, Bhutan. Meet Abi Kuri or Grandma Kuri. She is 89 years old and here she is cutting walnut with a knife, literally to get the walnut inside. But she is not doing this for herself, so she can eat the walnut. Rang tengah maka sos kau chat pai. Tu te simonote. Chungam shida. Naka kuchulam? No. So whatever hard work she's doing this, she's not doing this for her to, eat this walnut and enjoy this. Actually, she is doing this for others, so who can eat this walnut.
One hour later.
장자리가 초도 리올라. Yalla. 지익범에 장자리 난토.
마카롱이 신지 무장 들어 하가지 그죠.
Ja, hangt hem dus beetje te stuning. 저도 장살리나 집부터 풀어.
장살리 소리 쳐.
야, 엄청나네.
Quella si su qui.
Untuk masuk
Tu su mai sindi o kala masih cium dah su kan pula. Buam dah pula. Mai sindi tak tin makan hanga makan bidang makan.
fresh butter. Friends, in this clip that you are watching, it just looks like that she is separating rice from the husk. But in reality, what she is trying to do is she is collecting rice husk, so that way she can use that rice husk to make yeast. Freshly made, homemade yeast to make alcohol. So it's believed that, or like that's what proven for them, that that's the best yeast that you can make out of rice husk. And of course she has to add other ingredients in it. Everything like organic ingredients, where she will have to mix it. So I will show you the whole process. But here, see, she's separating the rice husk and then collecting it. So here it is, where she has collected a lot of husk. And so the next thing she will be adding to this is like some other root ingredients. So this is the root ingredients. that it's like an organic root, one of the ingredients that she will be adding it. But before that, she has to actually beat this root, and then she has to look at it, how she's doing it. And she will have to remove the bark of the root. See how she's doing it. So she literally has to do this all manually, and after this she will be boiling the leaf as well, the bark of the root. See like how she is removing the bark, or the skin should I call, of the root. So the next process from here, what she's going to be doing is, so she's going to boil this the skin of the root as well as the leaves, boil it, and she's going to extract the juice out of it. So with that juice, she's going to add the rice husk that she has collected earlier, and that is how she's going to make the homemade or like organic yeast for alcohol.
Tunggu mai dul be gotte. Dul than oha se sirun. Dul than oha rishola kam riol than king ok pat ka tina rijut be. Puri pa shuna lage pa.
하죠. 고모야 zetmeşo o 퉁탄.
O tungui jus sugami. Kutki i jus tela jus pako shuni.
쇼놈다.
Shuna busken shuna. Alo. Dulhan, Chishunhan. Oh,
After boiling this for an hour or so, she collected the juice, only the juice, but the other ingredients she just threw away. And what she did was, she just mixed this extraction of juice with the rice husk that she has collected earlier. And then that was the only process. Is what actually I'm sorry I missed to record it. And the final product here is, this is what it looks like, and she made into like nice size this way, or like nice round shape, and then she just put it on a bamboo stick, and she's hanging it up right next to the kitchen where this is going to dry up. And once this is dried, so this is the local homemade organic yeast. So this next video is about how people still manually use their hands instead of the machine to remove the corn from the kernels. And this is their daily life, how they do it. And here is Abi Kuri, or Grandma Kuri again, where she is helping to remove the corn from the kernels. So Abi Kuri is, actually she is such in great shape. She still helps, to cut vegetables, and then especially like this removing of corn from the kernel. She's an expert on this. Trust me, friends, I sat next to her and tried to see how fast she can do it. And but I failed.
No, you call on machine.
Abi nancho 89 years diodang memo. Gebju gegu. 89. Gebju jagu. Abi nancho gebju jagu diodang memo. Gupju delega ning thur mariolam ning thur lame omchang. Lo gupju delega. Yalla abi. Abi chering pakka ne wairang choi. This is what final product is from after removing from the kernels, so they can use it for multi-purpose, for eating, for alcohol, everything. Here they are actually distributing this jackfruit which just freshly harvested, and they want to share it with other people in the villages who are asked to come and collect it. You know, this is what it is. Sharing is loving, and this is what happens in the village. You get something new harvest, you just share it with everybody. And this is just a beautiful clip of how cats and its kitten is having a wonderful time, you know, just relaxing and nothing to worry about. Just look at how they are having a good time. And friends, with that said, I'm going to end my blog here for today. I hope you like my video. Please stay safe, be positive, and share lots of love and happiness and peace to everyone. Thank you for watching. Thank you.